Good morning, people. It's currently 9:23 a.m. and in this video, I'll be showing you a trade setup that I have my eyes on. So it's currently Sunday, 9:20 a.m. and Bitcoin is, well, we just made this third wave by the looks of it. Third wave is always the most powerful. So if that's the third wave and that's the fourth wave, then we could start looking for the fifth wave. So if that's one, two, three, and then four, and then we're going to come claim the high, we could get an SFP so we could be looking for something like this, where we claim the high, get back below it, and then start down, correcting down, which is kind of what I'm looking for. But until then, guys, we're chilling. If we get the 382, so that's the third wave. That's the third wave. This is probably a 1, 2, or 1, 2. It's very technical, but I'm still going to go off the fact that if this is wave 3 and we come claim the high in a 5, then I'm looking for shorts if we get back below the line. All right, guys, we have currently just broken the SFP line. We got a massive wick up and a quick rejection. So yeah, if we start rejecting now as we are, then that could be a good setup. But I'm not going to take this trade because that wick is too high. I want to see how price reacts. Maybe we can get some. We get the rejection. Maybe we can get a nice retracement to the golden pocket. But we'll see, guys. We'll see. But just to update, SFP line has been broken, and we're currently rejecting from it. So let's see how it plays out. Good evening, guys. It's currently 9:30 p.m. and this is the aftermath of this SFP trade. You can see we had that SFP line there. My alert went off. We had that massive wick I told you about, and then I said we should fill it and come to the golden pocket. We actually came to the 786, but all in all, golden pocket or the 0.65 level held us down quite well. And this is where you would have entered the trade. I didn't enter the trade personally, but if I was watching this, you get the SFP rejection, it's just price deciding where it wants to go, and then 6.5 held us down, like I said, and we started breaking down, targeting a 1, 2, 3. You can see price would have hit 40p within a matter of 2 hours 42 minutes. Zooming out, guys, you can see that let me just get rid of all this old stuff. You can see we actually got a much larger SFP, or fake out in this case. But we'll have to see what happens overnight, guys. We'll have to see what happens overnight. You can see, guys, that this pattern is breaking out, which I am not surprised about, seeing as bull run, parallel channel. Bro, that is not good. I mean, it is good, but that's just crazy. I'm hearing the maddest whips out there. But yeah, man, 90k, here we come. Even 100, 120, 150, 180. Guess we'll see, guys. Time will tell. But trading setups, I'm kind of worried, man, because Bitcoin just keeps going up. How am I going to get some setup? We'll see how it goes.